Now, let us discuss the types of muscle tissue. Muscle tissue, as I have told you, striped or striated or skeletal or voluntary muscle fibers, or they are unstriated or unstriped or involuntary muscle fibers. And the third one is your cardiac muscle fibers. Why they are called striped or striated muscles? As they have the light and dark bands or striations. When we see the microscopic image of the striated muscle cells, they have light and dark bands or striations. They are called voluntary muscles as they move as per our will, and they are called skeletal muscles as they are attached to all bones and help in movement. So that is why they are termed as striated, voluntary, and skeletal muscle tissues. And why unstriped or non-striated are called in that way? Because they do not show any light or dark bands, and they are called involuntary as they do not move as per our will. Okay. And cardiac muscle fibers, what are these? The structure in between striated and non-striated muscle fibers are involuntary. These muscles show rhythmic contractions and relaxation throughout life and pump blood. So that is why they are called the cardiac muscle fibers. They are found only in the heart. Okay. And now what is the structure of the striped or skeletal muscle fibers? Structure is long, cylinder shaped, unbranched cells, multinucleated. The fibers arranged in the form of bundles. They have dark and light bands. And the structure of unstriped or non-striated muscle fiber is this. They are spindle shaped cells. They are uninucleated. They have fibers arranged in the form of sheets, and they do not have the dark and light bands. Okay. So your striped or skeletal muscle fibers are long, cylinder shaped, unbranched cells, and your unstriped or involuntary muscle fibers are spindle shaped cells. Now, what about the cardiac muscle fibers? They are the short, cylinder shaped, branched cells. They are uninucleated, fibers arranged in the form of network. They have faint dark and light bands. Faint dark and light bands, the meaning the light and dark bands are present but are very light in color. Now, location of your voluntary muscle fibers, limbs, arms and legs. As you know, we can move our arms or legs as per our will. So they are the voluntary muscle fibers, obviously. In our tongue, because when we want to talk, then only we talk. It is not like that we talk all the day or in an involuntary way. In our body, face and neck. And location of your unstriped or involuntary muscle fibers is iris of the eye, ureters, bronchi of lungs, alimentary canal wall, and blood vessels. And the location of cardiac muscle fibers is obviously walls of heart, and they are obviously involuntary because they just pump our blood throughout our life. Now, the working of voluntary muscle fibers. They contract quickly but can't remain contracted for a long time. So they just get fatigued or tired. And the working of your involuntary muscle fibers is they contract slowly but can remain contracted for long. So they just don't get tired. And the working of your cardiac muscle fibers, they contract quickly and rhythmically. Means the for example, our heart beats 72 times every minute. So it is like they just contract rhythmically. Therefore, they do not get fatigued or tired. That is the reason they just do not get fatigued or tired, because the resting time is designed in a way that they just do not get tired. Now, an interesting thing here I would like to mention is this: when we smile, we only use the 17 muscles of our face, but when we frown, we use 43 muscles of our face. So you can see smiling is easier as compared to your getting angry or like in a scolding way. So we should be avoiding that. So here you can see the zoomed picture of cardiac muscles. You can see here their arrangement, and then you can see skeletal muscle, and then you can see your smooth muscles.